Amethyst and Kevin's F1b mini Sheepadoodle puppies, and they are 4 weeks old. This is their second video. We're a little more lively. Do you want mama? Do you want mama? Uh-oh. Now my other Sheepadoodles are talking back. They're talking back. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is a litter of 8. We have 4 and 4. And I'm just going to go through everybody and then let you watch them for a minute. This is our orange collar boy. He is a brindle color. And that brindle lightens up. Hi, buddy. Excuse my laundry. Haven't folded the laundry today. Here's a yellow collar boy. Hi, buddy. They were so pretty. It is storming out there today, guys. Black collar boy. Look at, he's got this little like almost bow tie spot on the back. 2 little spots on the head. And then, of course, the mouth. This is Jessica's favorite. For those who watch us and know who my daughter Jessica is, that's her favorite. Okay, and dark blue collar boy. Our final boy. Look at these colors. This is probably my favorite coloring so far. Hi, baby. Hi. Okay, and then we have our turquoise. So there's the dark blue boy, and then this is turquoise girl. And she is pretty black. She's got the traditional Sheepadoodle markings, the little white tip of the tail. Then we have lime green collar girl, who's the smallest. She's quite light. And look at, she's got that white that goes all the way around there. And she has a shorter snout. She's definitely more of a sheepdog face with the shorter snout. She is beautiful. Look at the little white tip on is it both ears? No, just this ear, the little white tip. All right, lavender girl. Come here, baby. She is white with the little black at the bottom there. Kind of similar to black collar boy, but look at that black eye. Look at you. Yeah, she's like, I'm looking. Okay, and pink collar girl is our second brindle. So we have 2 brindles, and she's a smaller one too. Yeah, a little shorter snout there, so more of a round face. Oh my goodness gracious, yes. So they're doing a lot of playing with each other now. Playing with toys now. And let's see if we have any teethies. No teethies there. Nope, no teethies. Look, we got a teethie here. Look at that. Yeah, we do have a tooth. Yeah. So this week is just a lot of socializing, playing with them. They get another round of deworming. Their shots aren't until 6 weeks old. I try to do that after picking so that they're not, anytime you have shots, they're not going to be feeling the greatest. And so I want them to be on point and their true selves for picking. So we wait until after picking to get those shots. But anyway, that's pretty much all that's in this week. Next week is already temperament testing, and I will email those to those on our list. We do have puppies available. Now this is Amethyst puppy litter. Pearl's Sheepadoodles have been discounted. They're 9 weeks old today, and we're trying to get them into their homes. So if you're wanting an awesome price, I have discounted this litter from $2,300. That's what our minis usually run for our Sheepadoodles. We've discounted even them. So this litter is even discounted under $2,000. And then, of course, we've really discounted the Pearls. But the genetics are all pretty much the same because Pearl and Amethyst are sisters. And then it's the same sire, too. So we have Kevin is the daddy of all these. But we're happy to get some brindles. Everybody loves the brindles. And I love this black eye. Now, this is just some temporary tearing here on the white ones because I let their hair grow out and it gets a little in the way, makes their eyes kind of tear up a little bit. So that comes off though. Yes. All right, I'm going to let you guys watch them, and we will see you next week.